Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where function key for brightness is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So here's the thing, if you mean if by function key you mean F2 or F3, then you also have to push it in tandem with Fn. For example, let us say on my computer it would be Fn plus F2. But in your computer the combination could be some other function key, but you have to press the Fn key together. The next one is to, I would say, update or reinstall the keyboard and display drivers. Now I'll show you how this is done. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for keyboard drivers. Right click on the first driver and select Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. If this doesn't work, then right click on it and select Uninstall Device, Action, and then scan for hardware changes. The next one is to update and reinstall the display drivers. Okay, expand this, right click, update drivers, and then if it doesn't work, right click and uninstall device, and then action and scan for hardware changes. After this, the next solution will be to, what do we say, uninstall the most recent Windows update. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, and then select Update History, and then select Uninstall Updates, and then click on Uninstall, and then select Uninstall once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.